We've been creating music over the past week, I guess, jamming with other musicians, composing, just having fun. When the dancers start dancing,
This week has been a week of improvising with 5 teachers: Ellie, Tani, Anthony, Raphael and Diraj.
Superb teachers, and the way that they teach, it's unlike anything I've experienced before.
It's not like do this, do this, do this. It's mainly your ideas.
Yes, when they come in.
Yeah, that'd be really nice. That'd be great.
It's self-driven. You choose, you work with other people, you help them, they help you, and you develop each other as you work. And it's been a lot of fun, and I've never really done anything like it before.
But I want us to start with a big kind of volume for improv and then get
actually getting to meet so many amazingly talented musicians that I'll probably stay in contact with, and they've actually inspired me to do a lot of things.
So inclusive, and everybody just feels welcome, and there's absolutely no judgment, and it just feels like an awesome environment for everybody to grow and become more comfortable with themselves.